Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today in this short video I will show you how to fix sound delay and improve audio in Valheim. So before starting video, if you are new in this channel, then hit subscribe button and let's start a video without wasting any time. So first of all, open Valheim and just do the same as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so after changing all these settings, it will improve your audio quality and also fix sound delay. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video then hit like button and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.